You can see the Bluetooth throttle control enables the driver to have fine use of the throttle without the use of their legs and without the hand controls for the left. With accessories such as this Bluetooth range of tools, the student can have great functionality with all the controls while using a variation on the popular spinner knob theme. So you can see my indicators, my windscreen wipers, everything is controlled from this particular function, even down to my headlights. Windscreen washers there, give the car a good clean. So let's pull out from the curb and go for a drive using the Bluetooth range of accessories. Cancel the indicator using that knob. I'm still using my stick on the bottom right hand side, looking for where the road goes, and you can see just how functional this little piece of equipment is. As the vehicle straightens up, we can drive down the road with perfect mobility, cancelling our indicators. Demonstration Bluetooth left-hand throttle control for people with mobility issues on their left side. You can see that both hands can be on the wheel, and it makes it quite easy for the driver to have fine control skills on their accelerator for a variety of conditions. The electric handbrake option in this car is a great tool for people who don't have the upper body strength, or the vehicle design needs to be modified where they can't use a mechanical handbrake. The vehicle has a range of accessories that we can use throughout the assessment to give the client the best option of finding tools that make them comfortable. A flick of a switch, application of the brake, and suddenly our whole throttle position has changed. No other car is equipped with this level of functionality.